Welcome to our channel. If you have a Citi credit card that earns thank you points and want to check your current points balance, follow these step-by-step instructions to view your rewards. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit www.citi.com or download the Citi mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click Sign On or Log In at the top of the Citi homepage and enter your Citi username and password to access your account. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to your credit card account dashboard. Your thank you points balance will typically be displayed prominently near your account summary. Step 4. For more detailed information about your points, look for a Rewards or Thank You Points section in the menu and click on it. Step 5. In the Thank You Points portal, you'll see your total available points, pending points that haven't posted yet, and your points earning history. Step 6. Review how you earned your points by checking your points activity or transaction history, which shows points earned from purchases, bonuses, and promotions. Step 7. Check your points expiration policy. Thank you. Points don't expire as long as your account remains open and in good standing, but it's good to verify this in your account details. Step 8. While viewing your points balance, you can also explore redemption options such as travel bookings, gift cards, cashback, or transfers to airline and hotel partners. For quick balance checks in the future, you can also text BAL to Citi's text service if you've enrolled in account alerts, or call Citi ThankYou customer service at 1-800-842-6596 to hear your points balance by phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.